Hi, this is Roger with Technomad here at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. And I'd like to talk today about one of our more popular options for our weatherproof PowerChiton amplifiers. The amplifier here in the bottom you can see is a completely weatherproof design. The product line ranges from 100 watts up to 1200 watts into 8 ohms. They're monoblock amplifiers and are used for a wide variety of applications. One popular application currently is using wireless audio distribution to install the amplifiers and speakers across wide area outdoor spaces, such as downtown sound systems, large athletic field complexes, fairgrounds, parking lots, and all kinds of things. The system is very robust and very scalable. Each unit, when it has this option, is equipped with an internal Wi-Fi access point and streaming audio receiver. The units can then be configured to join a existing or specially deployed Wi-Fi network, which can be used for connecting the output locations to a source location or even to multiple source locations. This makes the system very robust and very scalable because to expand the system, you only need to extend the range of the wireless network being used for distribution and then install more amplifiers and speakers as needed. For more details, check out our website at technomad.com. Thank you.